Today this video I am going to be sharing one of the best indicator I like to trade with, very much beginner friendly, with massive accuracy when it come to entry and exit and take profits, with stop loss. This indicator is a divergence and price action indicator that was created using divergence and price action methodologies. This is a Forex indicator that provides massive accuracy in Forex trading. It can be used for both long and short trades. This method gives you a specific SL, stop loss, as well as 3 levels of TP, take profits. His Forex indicator strategies, made for better understanding trends and price action, draw auto support, and resistance on a live chat. This is a non-repainting indicator. The system provides the most recent signal, which includes 3 levels of taking profits and stop loss. This indicator signaling system gives you entry and exit levels, and you can use this Forex system on any time frame and with any currency pair. We recommend that you only trade with 0 or ECN brokers. Wait for the buy/sell arrow to show up and down. After doing technical analysis of the trend and price action, the trading system generates a buy/sell signal with specific market entry and stop loss levels, as well as target, take profit levels. Trading rules: but before taking buy/sell trade entry, definitely keep in mind the senior level. Avoid taking buy trades near resistance levels and sell trades near support levels. After taking a buy/sell trade entry, always make a take profit 1 level entry first and not the indicator as shown, so make a direct take profit 3 level entry. After booking take profit 1 level profit, then go for take profit 2 according to senior level, and after take profit 3 level. This Forex system on any time frame and with any currency pair, but we recommend that you only trade higher time frame. 100% accurate alpha trend indicator is a premium Forex trading indicator delivering on the spot buy and sell signals. The performance and accuracy of this indicator hover at a crazy 80 to 100%, making this one a must-have tool for serious traders. A simplified trading rules with the alpha trend indicator are: a blue upward pointing arrow pops up fairly below the candlesticks, indicates the start of an uptrend. A red downward pointing arrow pops up fairly above the candlesticks, indicates the start of a downtrend. The indicator is displayed directly on the main trading chart in the form of arrows. It fits all kinds of time frames and currency pairs. The default settings can be modified directly from the Input tab. Feel free to experiment with the settings and parameters to fit your personal preferences. As always, you should remember about proper money management. Don't forget to check if market conditions are propitious. To check if spread is reasonable, you can follow these steps for a long trade. Blue upward arrow occurs, price makes a bullish pattern or move. Optionally, you can confirm entry with another filter, set stop loss a few pips below the most recent market low point, take profit when the red arrow occurs. Red downward arrow occurs, price makes a bearish pattern or move. Optionally, you can confirm entry with another filter, set stop loss a few pips above the most recent market high point, take profit when the blue arrow occurs. Copy and paste the auto trend X4 or auto trend MQ4 indicator files into the MQL4 folder of the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. You can gain access to this folder by clicking the top menu options. That goes as follows: file greater than open data folder greater than MQL4 greater than indicators, paste here. Now go to the left side of your MT4 terminal. In the navigator, find the gauge name, right-click it and select attach to the chart. The 100% accurate auto trend indicator is well worth adding to your trading collection, but remember that on occasions it will provide a bit less accurate signals. We suggest pairing it with a trend indicator, like EMA or SAR, or with an oscillator, like RSI or stochastic. Give also a try to no repaint by sell arrow indicator, which is download in forexpops.com. Trender is most advanced buy sell indicator, 90% accurate AmiBroker AFL, available free for download. This indicator is easy to operate and analyze buy sell trend. In this article you will get answers to your queries like: what is Trender? How to analyze buy sell trend of stock? How to get trend indicator configured on your system. So, let's begin. Trender is best non-repainting buy sell indicator. It's only trend-based charting system without candlestick patterns. Thus, Trader finds this very easy to analyze any trend in stocks or cryptocurrencies. This is a AmiBroker AFL code which you can easily download and configure on your own. Continue reading below for easy installation. Steps: how to analyze this buy sell indicator. Since there are no candlestick pattern used in chart, it's pretty easy to analyze buy and sell entry. Here, small red and green circles indicates your buy and sell signals. Long buy indicator: when gray trend line crosses white trend line downside up, it indicates you that stock trend is buy side.